Goodman HVAC systems, now manufactured by Daikin Industries, use error code H2 to indicate a freeze protection fault on the outdoor coil. This means the coil temperature has dropped too low, typically below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, -1 degree Celsius, risking ice formation and damage. This triggers a shutdown to protect the system. The underlying causes often relate to low refrigerant levels, restricted airflow, or extreme environmental conditions. Newer Goodman units, like the GMVM and GSX series, offer advanced diagnostics and Bluetooth connectivity via apps like Goodman Connect, providing real-time H2 alerts. Addressing this promptly is crucial to prevent further damage and ensure efficient operation. Reset the system by cycling power or clearing the code via the control board. If the error persists, professional inspection is necessary. Fixing error code H2 involves several troubleshooting steps. First, check refrigerant levels using a manifold gauge set. Low refrigerant is a common cause that can lead to the coil freezing. Second, inspect and clean or replace air filters to ensure proper airflow. Restricted airflow can mimic freezing conditions. Third, verify thermostat settings are correct. Incorrect programming can mimic freezing conditions. Newer Goodman systems are integrating AI-driven predictive maintenance and IoT platforms to proactively prevent H2 by monitoring weather data. Note that DIY fixes carry risks, potentially voiding warranties. Always follow manufacturer guidelines. According to expert opinions, like those from the Air Conditioning Contractors of America, regular maintenance can prevent most H2 occurrences. If issues continue after initial troubleshooting, contact a qualified HVAC technician to inspect for leaks, sensor malfunctions, or other underlying problems. Remember that H2 is a symptom, so identifying and resolving the root cause is essential for a lasting solution.